This is how you make live photos on your iPhone. We have, in the photo app, these 6 dots now for iOS 26. And you tap that, we have 6 options. I don't know if they correlate that way, but that's how it happens to be in this case. So we tap on live, and that turns it on. We saw the little live notification up there. If it looks like this, it's on. If there's a line through it, it is off. So we have live. There's 2 different options. One's live auto. Not sure what the difference is. But once live is on, when you take a photo, like I'm moving my hand here, we saw that live notification up at the top. And then when I go and view this photo, if I tap and hold on it, it then plays the photo as though it was a video, but it's actually a photo. I guess it's kind of a video. I'm not quite sure. It's kind of like a hybrid photo video. And then you can share that with people, and it's fantastic. One thing you want to make sure, though, some people say if you tap and hold on this button, it'll make a longer live. I don't believe that's true, but if you tap and hold, it does start recording a video. So if I tap and hold on this, it starts making a video. We got the regular video recording time up here. And you go as long as you want until you let go, and then the video is done. That's not a live, that's a video. Something else to be mindful of is when you make a live, it also records audio for that live. And if you want to make lots of live photos, but you don't have enough space on your phone, you got to watch this video right here, which shows you 5 or 6 different hidden trash cans on your phone they need to empty on a regular basis to get your free space back. So check out that video right after this one. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.